standard 5th subject areas, and second lesson, a snake charmer's story. So in previous video we have seen that there was a boy, he was telling something special about him, that he can win. That student name was, or that boy name was Aryana, and he was telling a story about his Dadaji. Okay, so see, in previous video we have seen that his Dadaji was telling his story, that what they had done in their childhood, how they behaving with others in their childhood, how they catching snakes in Dadaji's childhood, means grandfather's childhood. And we have seen that how they took out the poison from the poisonous snakes, or how they catching the snakes, poisonous snakes also, and without poison snakes also they were catching. Then they taking that snakes with them, and they moving village to village. They forced to that snakes to dance in the crowded place. They earning some money from that, and they living their life like that. The grandfather was telling to the Aryana. So next we'll move ahead, page number 17. Some questions was there, and we have seen that questions, think and tell. Have you ever seen anyone playing a bean? Where? You have to tell the answer. Have you seen anyone playing bean? And if you seen, then where? Honestly, I have not seen that anyone playing bean. If you have seen that anyone is playing bean, you can tell me, or you can write answer this question in your notebook. Then, have you ever seen a snake? Have you ever seen snake, and where? I have seen so many snakes so many times, and at the different places also. Then, were you scared by it? Were you scared by it? Why? So honestly, everyone is scared to the snake. Means everyone having scare. Everyone is fear to the snake. Why? Because it is poisonous. Its shape is very dangerous. It's looking like a dangerous. Right? These are the reasons that everyone is scared to the snake. But some are there. I am also scared to the snake very much. But some are the people, some are in our environment. There is so many people that they are playing with the snake. They love to the snake. They take snakes as a pet. In previous lecture, I gave you one example of that girl. She used a python for her pet. Do you think all snakes are poisonous? Means all snakes everywhere, means around us, that all snakes are poisonous? Yes or no? I think no, all snakes are not poisonous. Some are the poisonous. The next question, in chapter 1st you read that snakes do not have ears which you can see. Can the snake hear the bean, or does it dance when the bean moves? What do you think? Means in first chapter we have seen that snakes ears, we can't see snakes ears, and the question is that, do you think that snakes can hear, or when they hear the bean was fluting, that time snakes hear that bean and they moving their body? What do you think they can hear? We'll see. So what can we do? Aryanath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. Now grandfather continuing that story is telling to story the Aryanath. Now see what grandfather is telling to Aryanath, that Aryanath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. He learned to play the bean without being taught. These days it is difficult. Now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skin at the high prices. So they made a law against this. Now with this law, how will we earn our livelihood? We people have never killed snakes and sold their skin. People say that we keep its snake in bad conditions. Means that grandfather was telling that now government has changed their rules. A few years ago there was the amount of the humans or amount of the peoples that people's hunting the wild animal and they selling their skins at the high prices to the another peoples, and that people's buying that skins because that is very helpful for that peoples. Okay, like that only snake skin also a very means charged, means that skin is very important for the other peoples. So the people starting hunting to snakes, they start to kill them, they collecting their skin and they starting to sell that to another peoples. So for stopping this all nonsense, government changed their rules and they said that no one can hunt the wild animals. If you hunt, then you should pay a huge amount for that. That is your punishment. Then that grandfather is telling, Arinath, we had not done these things in our childhood. Means your father was also coming with me in their childhood. But we hunt snake and we keep with us by taking their poison. But we never killed them. We never used their skin. Like this grandfather is telling. Then what that grandfather is saying that people say that we keep the snakes in a bad condition. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes. Means grandfather is telling, we have so many snakes. I have so many snakes as a pet, and if I decided to earn so many money from them, I can be rich by selling that snake's body or snake's skin. But we would never do that. Snakes are our treasure that we pass on from on generation to another. If even gift snakes to our daughters when they get married, means they are telling that we gifted snakes to our daughters in their marriage. He's telling like that, grandfather. Then they get married. In our Kalbelia dance, we also have movements similar to the dance of the snake. Means Kalbelia dance is there in Charms family, in Charms tribe. In that tribe there is a one dance that called Kalbelia. That Kalbelia dance type having a moves like snakes moves. Then Arinath, you will have to make a different life for yourself. You have got your father's gift of playing the bean. You and your cousins can form a bean party and entertain people. But do not waste this knowledge about snakes you have got from your elders. Share your knowledge about snakes with children who live in towns and cities. Tell them that they should not be scared of snakes. Help them or recognize poisonous snakes. Tell them how snakes are friends of the farmers. They eat the rats in the fields, otherwise the rats would eat the crops. Now you tell our story. Also make a new story of your life to tell your grandchildren. Means grandfather have finished the story here, and he telling to his means Arinath. He is telling to Arinath that you should also make your own story to tell your grandchildren. Means you have to tell them importance of snakes, how snakes are friend of farmers, because that snakes eats rats from that farming places. Otherwise rats will eat that all crops. Okay, like this, that snakes are friends and useful to the nature, useful to the environment, and they are not too much dangerous. If we disturb them, they will disturb us, or they will dangerous for us. If we save them, if we not disturb them, they will go by their own way. Okay, so today we'll stop here. Next part will continue in next video. Thank you.